The future of healthcare is here, and it's digital. Get ready for a revolution in patient care and operational efficiency that will change the game for healthcare providers worldwide. According to Vantage Market Research, the global digital health market is set to explode, reaching a whopping USD 2,688 billion by 2035. This incredible growth is fueled by the rapid adoption of cutting-edge technologies like AI-powered diagnostics, telemedicine, wearable devices, and data analytics solutions. But here's where it gets controversial. As healthcare executives race to stay ahead, they must navigate a complex landscape of AI-driven insights, virtual care platforms, and interoperable electronic health records. It's a delicate balance between innovation and maintaining a competitive edge. So, how can leaders ensure they're making the right moves? This market matters to CXOs. Rapid digital adoption, telehealth, remote monitoring, and AI diagnostics are no longer optional. They're essential for engaging patients and streamlining hospital workflows. Data-driven medicine, real-time analytics, and personalized treatment plans are the key to enhancing outcomes and reducing costs. Strategic growth opportunities, investing in cloud-based health platforms, AI tools, and integrated care solutions is crucial for capturing high-growth segments. Policy regulatory tailwinds, government initiatives supporting electronic health records, reimbursement for virtual care, and digital health standards are accelerating adoption. Technological industry drivers, artificial intelligence, machine learning. These technologies are transforming diagnostics, treatment planning, and operational efficiency. Virtual care telemedicine, expanding access to care, especially in urban and remote regions, is a game changer. Wearables, remote monitoring devices, real-time patient tracking, and preventive interventions are made possible, improving patient care. Data interoperability cloud platforms. Seamless data sharing across hospitals, labs, and insurers is facilitated, enhancing collaboration. Blockchain cybersecurity solutions. Ensuring secure patient data management and compliance with global regulations is a priority. Strategic insights for business leaders. Identify high-value segments like telehealth platforms, AI diagnostics, and wearable devices. Benchmark leading digital health providers, technology innovators, and solution integrators to stay ahead of the curve. Explore partnership, M&A, and joint venture opportunities in AI, virtual care, and data platforms to accelerate market penetration. Stay updated on evolving government policies, reimbursement models, and ESG mandates for digital health investment. Develop patient-centric, scalable digital ecosystems aligned with 2030 to 2035 healthcare objectives to future-proof your strategy. Expert insights. Digital health is no longer an optional add-on. It's the backbone of modern healthcare delivery. AI, virtual care, and data-driven decision-making will define competitiveness through 2035. Neha Rathod-Godbole, Founder CEO, Vantage Market Research. Executive Playbook, Top 5 Moves to Lead in Digital Health. 1. Invest in AI-driven diagnostics. Implement machine learning for early detection and precision medicine. 2. Scale telemedicine platforms. Expand virtual care and remote monitoring capabilities to reach more patients. 3. Enhance data interoperability. Integrate cloud-based EHRs, IoT devices, and analytics dashboards for seamless data flow. 4. Leverage regulatory reimbursement incentives. Utilize government programs and digital health policies to accelerate adoption. 5. Forge strategic alliances. Partner with technology innovators, hospitals, and insurers to accelerate market penetration and create a powerful network. Leading players innovators. Cerner Corporation, U.S., AI-enabled EHR and population health solutions. Philips Healthcare, Netherlands, integrated patient monitoring and diagnostic platforms. Teladoc Health, U.S., global leader in virtual care services. Siemens Healthineers, Germany, advanced imaging, AI diagnostics, and laboratory automation. Epic Systems, U.S., comprehensive EHR solutions for hospitals and health networks. Disruptors to watch: Livongo Health, Babylon Health, Omada Health, and Bioformis are driving innovation in remote monitoring, virtual coaching, and predictive analytics. Market hurdles, structural challenges: fragmented technology ecosystems, interoperability issues between EHRs, telehealth platforms, and wearable devices hinder seamless data integration. Data privacy security concerns: compliance with HIPAA, GDPR, and other regional regulations is a challenge, requiring increased cybersecurity investments. High capital expenditure: developing AI algorithms, remote monitoring infrastructure, and virtual care platforms demands significant upfront investment. Regulatory variability: differing telemedicine and digital health approval standards across countries slow global adoption. User adoption barriers: resistance from patients and providers, combined with digital literacy gaps, limits uptake in certain demographics. Benefits of purchasing digital health market reports: analyst support, direct access to experts before and after purchase for tailored insights and clarifications. Data accuracy: forecasts and trends validated through primary industry interviews, end-user surveys, and advanced statistical modeling. Decision-making tools: interactive dashboards, granular segment forecasts. Key regulations include US FDA digital health guidelines and HIPAA regulations for patient data security, EU medical device regulation MDR and GDPR for data privacy compliance, Asia-Pacific Telemedicine and Digital Health Acts, including India's National Digital Health Mission, NDHM, ISO IEC 27001 and ISO 13485 standards for cybersecurity and medical device quality management. Global ESG and healthcare data reporting requirements influencing investor scrutiny. Market overview: growth drivers: digital health is transforming healthcare, moving from reactive care to predictive, preventive, and personalized medicine. Key growth drivers include AI machine learning, enhancing diagnostics, predictive analytics, and treatment optimization. Telehealth virtual care expansion, bridging gaps in access, especially in remote or underserved. Wearables: remote monitoring devices, driving real-time patient insights and continuous care models. Data-driven healthcare, integrating electronic health records, genomics, and patient-reported data to optimize outcomes. Corporate government initiatives: investments in digital infrastructure and health IT modernization are accelerating adoption globally. Strategic intelligence for decision makers. This report provides actionable insights to help corporate leaders and healthcare executives identify high-value solutions, benchmark top providers, map MA opportunities, track regulatory frameworks, and build resilient digital health strategies aligned with 2030 to 2035 healthcare goals. Market momentum: why now? Rising healthcare costs, pressuring providers and payers to adopt cost-efficient digital solutions. Pandemic-driven adoption: COVID-19 accelerated the integration of telehealth and remote monitoring. Technology breakthroughs: AI diagnostics, wearable sensors, and interoperable platforms have reached maturity. Policy support: governments are promoting telemedicine, remote care, and data-driven healthcare initiatives. Investor capital inflows: VC, PE, and ESG-focused funding are fueling innovation and scale-up opportunities. Leaders who integrate AI, telehealth, and predictive analytics into patient-centric care will shape the future of healthcare delivery. Traditional providers must adapt or risk losing their competitive edge. Recent industry developments: Jan 2025, Teladoc Health expands virtual care services in Asia Pacific, targeting chronic disease management. March 2025, Philips launches AI-powered imaging diagnostics across European hospitals. May 2025, Cerner introduces cloud-based EHR interoperability solutions for multi-hospital networks in the U.S. Aug 2025, Medtronic deploys wearable glucose monitoring solutions integrated with mobile health apps. September 2025, Epic Systems partners with IBM Watson Health to enhance predictive analytics for population health management. Regional dynamics: North America, leading in AI-driven diagnostics and telehealth reimbursement frameworks. Europe, rapid integration of interoperable EHRs and virtual care platforms backed by policy incentives. Asia Pacific, expanding mobile health and wearable device adoption, driven by healthcare access challenges and government initiatives. Latin America MEA, growing telemedicine penetration supported by digital infrastructure investments and private-public partnerships. Top key players for digital health market. Allscripts Healthcare Solutions Inc., U.S. Cisco Systems, U.S. Koninklijke Philips N.V., Netherlands. McKesson Corporation, U.S. Cerner Corporation, U.S. Segment Insights. By offering hardware, wearables lead, driven by fitness tracking, chronic disease monitoring, and integration with telehealth and mHealth platforms. Implantable devices are significant for cardiac monitoring and neurostimulation. Telehealthcare telemedicine dominates, enabling remote consultations and expanding access to care. Remote patient monitoring, RPM, is growing rapidly for managing chronic conditions. mHealth apps and digital therapeutics are key drivers of patient engagement and treatment adherence. By disease, diabetes and cardiology remain the largest segments due to widespread adoption of monitoring devices and AI-enabled management solutions. Mental health behavioral health is a fast-growing segment driven by virtual counseling and digital therapy apps. By end user, healthcare providers, hospitals, and clinics are the primary adopters, integrating digital health solutions for patient care and operational efficiency. Patients' consumers are increasingly direct users of wearable devices and mHealth apps, driving market growth. Segments covered in the report: authoring, hardware, wearables, implantable devices. Handheld portable devices, stationary devices, solutions/applications, telehealthcare/telemedicine, remote patient monitoring, virtual care video consultation, virtual sitting nursing platforms, mHealth apps, digital therapeutics, digital pharmacy medication access, digital diagnostics at-home testing, patient portals, other digital health solutions/applications. Disease, diabetes, cardiology, mental health behavioral health, respiratory disorders, lifestyle wellness improvement, neurology, musculoskeletal disorders/pain management, oncology, women's health, reproductive health, other diseases. Use case: preventive care, wellness, diagnosis, treatment, patient monitoring, rehabilitation, recovery, other use cases. End user: healthcare providers, hospitals, clinics, other outpatient settings, other healthcare providers. Healthcare payers, public payers, private payers, patients, consumers, pharmaceutical, biotechnology, and medtech companies, other end users. Region: North America, U.S., Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, France, UK, Italy, Spain, Nordic countries, Benelux Union, rest of Europe. Asia Pacific: China, Japan, India, New Zealand, Australia, South Korea, Southeast Asia, rest of Asia Pacific. Latin America: Brazil, Argentina, rest of Latin America. Middle East, Africa, MEA. Saudi Arabia, UAE, Egypt, Kuwait, South Africa, rest of MEA. Key questions answered in the report. Which regions will lead in digital health adoption, telemedicine infrastructure, and connected care integration over the next decade? How do government healthcare policies, reimbursement frameworks, and digital health mandates across North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific influence market growth? Who are the top global players, and how do their product portfolios, technology platforms, and regional expansion strategies differ? Which emerging companies and innovators are transforming the landscape through AI-enabled remote monitoring, digital therapeutics, and mHealth applications? What next-generation technologies will shape competitiveness and efficiency by 2035? How are ESG commitments, healthcare digitization initiatives, and corporate wellness programs accelerating digital health adoption? What are the primary growth drivers, regulatory bottlenecks, and data security challenges impacting large-scale adoption across hospitals, clinics, payers, and consumer applications? How will shifts in healthcare expenditure, insurance reimbursement models, and telemedicine regulations influence the economic viability of digital health solutions globally? Which end-user segments are likely to generate the highest ROI, and how can providers align solutions with patient engagement and outcome goals? What investment, partnership, and MA opportunities exist for stakeholders seeking to scale operations or enter high-growth digital health regions? Gain instant access to our exclusive, data-driven dashboard designed for healthcare industry decision-makers, strategists, and market leaders. The platform delivers in-depth statistical insights, segment-wise breakdowns, regional market performance, competitive landscape mapping, company profiles, annual updates, and more. From market sizing to trend analysis and competitive intelligence, this powerful tool serves as a comprehensive solution for informed business decisions. Browse the full Digital Health Market Size Share Growth Analysis 2035 by technology, telehealthcare, mHealth, healthcare analytics, digital health systems, by component, hardware, software, services, by region, North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America. Report at https://www.vantagemarketresearch.com/industry-report-digital health market 297. Browse more related reports. Spinal implants market. Atherectomy devices market. Brain-computer interface market. Dermatology devices market. Veterinary software market. Structural health monitoring market. Medical tubing market. Animal vaccines market, thrombectomy devices market, neuromodulation market. About us, Vantage Market Research is a trusted partner to Fortune 500 companies and leading biopharma firms, delivering high-quality market research reports and actionable intelligence across healthcare, biotechnology, and advanced cell therapies. Our globally recognized insights empower stakeholders to make informed decisions, anticipate trends, and capitalize on emerging opportunities.